Are you tired of the traditional 9-to-5 routine and looking for ways to make money online? Look no further than this video. In just a few moments, you'll discover 7 lesser-known websites that can help you earn money online, even if you have no prior experience. The best part? You can do it all from the comfort of your own home or wherever you may be. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We would love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. Respondent.io. This platform connects companies and researchers with individuals eager to participate in their studies, surveys, and research projects. As a participant, you can earn money by sharing your thoughts, feedback, and insights on various topics. Unlike other similar websites that offer minimal payouts for tasks, let me show you the impressive payout rates here. With Respondent.io, you can potentially earn $100, $150, $550, $700, and more per hour. This platform is entirely legitimate, focusing solely on research participation. You can easily verify its credibility online, as it has been around for a while. To get started, scroll up and click the Get Started button. Then, select Participants because our goal is to make money. You'll be directed to a registration page where you can provide your personal information. Alternatively, you can use your Facebook or LinkedIn account to sign up. Simply enter your first and last name and your work email. Respondent.io partners with major organizations such as Microsoft and IBM, which explains their high payout rates. After registration and email verification, you'll receive research studies tailored to your expertise and experience. Once you complete these tasks, you can receive payments via PayPal or link your bank account. Please watch the entire video as I introduce the second website on our list, a brand new platform for earning even more money. It's straightforward, and after watching the video, you can start making money right away. US Review of Books or usreview.com. This website, known as the US Review of Books, provides an opportunity for users to read books, write reviews, and get paid for their contributions. It serves as a platform for book enthusiasts who want to share their opinions on various literary works. It's completely free and open to everyone. If you enjoy reading, this is an excellent opportunity to work from home by writing book reviews. On the website, you can earn between $25 and $75 for each review you submit. If you already read for pleasure during your free time, this means you can earn some extra cash while doing what you love. Payment amounts may vary based on the review's length, complexity, and quality. But for those who love reading and want to supplement their income, this is a fantastic opportunity. Sweatcoin. Sweatcoin is an innovative smartphone app that rewards users with virtual currency for walking. You can redeem these coins for a variety of products and services, including iPhones, tablets, Apple Watches, and various subscriptions. This app encourages and promotes a healthy lifestyle by offering incentives for physical activity. With over 120 million registered users and positive reviews, it's a well-loved platform. All you need to do is start walking after downloading the app. Scroll to the bottom of this page and select the option that corresponds to your smartphone. Choose one for iPhone users and the other for Android users. The fact that this app has been downloaded over 50 million times from the Play Store demonstrates its popularity and reliability. If you select the Android option, I believe this app is fantastic and highly recommended to anyone looking for an easy and rewarding way to stay active. User Interviews, userinterviews.com. Userinterviews.com offers you the opportunity to share your opinions and thoughts about various products with companies like Pinterest, Spotify, and Adobe. You can earn money by providing feedback through this platform. The best part is that there are always new opportunities to make money, since new research studies are continually being added to the website. This means there will always be chances for you to monetize your opinions. Registering as a participant on the website is a straightforward process. Click the Sign Up button and choose the Participants option. You can sign up using your social network account or your email by following this link, where you'll provide personal information like your email and phone number and choose a password. Anyone interested in participating in studies and making money should find the process easy and hassle-free. Once you've successfully created an account and have it approved, you can start applying to participate in research studies and earn compensation. This website is one of the top options for making money online through surveys due to its substantial payouts. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved the video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Userbrain. Userbrain.com. Userbrain.com is the next website on our list. Upon signing up, you'll receive a list of tasks to complete, such as signing up for Spotify's family plan, finding a birthday gift, or calculating the total cost of a purchase. Your role will be to share your experience with these products and services by providing feedback to the platform. Specifically, you'll share your thoughts on the user-friendliness, effectiveness, and overall satisfaction of the websites you visit. Click the Get Paid to Test button to enter your personal information. Once your account is approved, you can participate in tasks lasting between 5 to 20 minutes, earning $5 each. Signing up on this website is a breeze, making it a fantastic way to make money without any prior experience or professional training. Test websites or trymata.com. Trymata.com is the sixth website on our list. It pays you for reviewing various websites and apps that you test. Each task takes between 10 and 20 minutes to complete, and you can earn $10 for each one you pass. The best part is that there's no limit to the number of tasks you can complete, allowing you to earn as much as you desire. For more information, visit the website, click on the Get Paid to Test option, and fill out the form. You'll need a PayPal account to receive your payment. Playtestcloud.com. My personal favorite on the website list is playtestcloud.com because it allows you to earn money by playing video games. This platform is used by major app developers to playtest mobile games and improve their performance, especially in areas like onboarding and user retention. Scroll down on the website to find information about who can be a tester. According to the website, testers can be anyone who regularly plays video games, regardless of their experience level. If you're interested, scroll further down the website for additional details. You can get started without any prior experience and earn approximately $9 for every 15 minutes of play testing. Visit their website, scroll down for more information, and start making money while playing games. If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!